there, I'm Teresa. Welcome to Dazzling in the Kitchen. Today, honey, I want to dazzle you with my 4-ingredient cream cheese frosting, honey. Yes, this stuff is luscious and luxurious, and it will be good for any treat. You can put this on top of brownies, in between cookies, make some whoopie pies. Anything you like to use this for, this is the best base. Absolutely our favorite icing that we use in the house. My husband can eat it by the cupfuls. So if you have a bae and you want him to stay, make this cream cheese frosting. And I promise you, he'll put a ring on it, yes. Well, I can't promise you that, but I mean, he's gonna like you a lot, or she, whomever. Anyway, let's get started in this recipe. Again, I said it's just 4 ingredients. So what I have here is some softened butter. I have salted butter because that's typically just what I use when I cook and bake. I like salted butter. You know, it's a good base for me. There's no need for all those disclaimers, but anyway, I have 1 stick of salted butter. I have 1.5 packs of cream cheese. So the cream cheese is 8 ounces, so I have an 8 ounce and then a little 4-ounce piece right here. We're gonna go ahead and get that into our mixing bowl here, honey. All right, and they are softened. You don't want any hard cream cheese that's, you know, right out the refrigerator. It can have a little chill on it, but you definitely don't want hard cream cheese and butter, honey. It's gonna be chunky and that's gonna be funky. Let me tell you right now, I'm really sorry about my cheesiness. Y'all gonna have to forgive me, excuse me. I grew up in the suburbs. You know, I don't have much to work with. I'm a cornball sometimes. So anyway, to that, we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and get those blended very well. You want it nice and creamy. And then we'll go in with our final ingredient. How about that? All right, that's looking good. Now we are ready to go in with our 4th ingredient. I have 16 ounces of powdered sugar here. We're gonna go ahead and get that right in. We're gonna pour it a little at a time because things are about to get smoky. Well, not smoky, cloudy. Little puff, little poof. All right, we're gonna mix that up just a little at a time so we can get it well combined, all right? It's fairy dust everywhere. Lord have mercy. All right, loves, this is the consistency you want in your cream cheese frosting. That's it right there. Now, I'm gonna do a little something different because I'm making this for a specific recipe. So I'm gonna add a little color to her and get her zhuzhed up nicely, honey. I'm gonna put a couple of drops of red in there just because I am making a pink frosting, just a little. And then you can adjust accordingly if you're making color. Isn't that velvety smooth and looking divine? All right, you want to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator just to go ahead and set up for at least 30 minutes before you get it on our cupcakes. Who said I was making cupcakes? See, now y'all know all my secrets. I have some cupcakes I'm gonna put these on. As a matter of fact, I was debating whether I wanted to put the icing in the same video, but then I said, some people just wanna know a cream cheese icing video. They don't wanna have to go through my whole red velvet cupcake video just to get to this. So I'm just gonna do it separately. So here we have it, my love, my 4-ingredient cream cheese frosting that you can put on any old thing. My name's Teresa, and thank you so much for joining me today on Dazzling in the Kitchen. Today, honey, I hope I dazzled you with my cream cheese frosting. What a little bless that is. I would love for you to stay a while. Don't just visit here. go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let's chat a little bit. Thumbs up my video and follow me on Instagram at Dazzling in the Kitchen. All right, my loves, until next time, stay dazzling.